Got it.
We have a dog too.
Huh?
We have a dog coming out, but he's nice.
Oh, really?
Mine is too. She just fat and lazy. Yeah, we got a river basset hound.
That's awesome.
It's weird. Oh, she's gonna have to visit it. Go, Lily. Go, Lily. Look, she got a visit. I knowed it. I knowed it. She said, hey, wait a minute. I want to talk to you a second. Lily!
Come on, Lil. Come on.
Lillian!
Let's get the butt. Come on. Come on, girl.
Come on, Lil!
Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Go, Lily. Come on, Lil!
Right here. Come on.
I got her. Come on, you swimming hound dog. Lily Nicole. Lily, look at mommy. So where is my mama? Lily. Boy, I'm making something right here to kill me one of these days. You know what? No, your kids ain't gonna die in your lifetime unless it be something unnatural.
Come on, Lily. Come on. Come on, girl. Why she being stubborn?
I don't know, but just her doing this.
Come on, Lily. Come on. Come on, I'm leaving. Come on, girl. You better come on. Yeah, you come in. Come on.
Where's your daddy?
Come on.
See, I go get on the float with my daddy. Now me go float, float, float. Lily. Silly Lily. Lillian. You pretty little thingy. Lily. Are you floating with daddy? You're spoiled rock. Yeah, what of it? Ain't she sweet?
Take a picture.